Passenger Ship Survey Guidelines. Under the SOLAS certification framework, passenger ships are issued a single Passenger Ship Safety Certificate, PSSC, that comprehensively covers the vessel's construction, safety equipment, radio installations, and life-saving arrangements, reflecting the higher safety standards required for ships carrying passengers. In contrast, cargo ships are generally issued separate statutory certificates, namely the Cargo Ship Safety Construction Certificate, Cargo Ship Safety Equipment Certificate, and Cargo Ship Safety Radio Certificate, with each certificate addressing a specific area of SOLAS compliance such as structural safety, life-saving and firefighting equipment, and radio communication systems, respectively. Under SOLAS, passenger ship requires an annual inspection of the outside of the ship's bottom, with a minimum of 2 inspections in dry dock within every 5 years. This presentation is divided into 6 major sections. First, we will understand the HSSC framework. Next, we will examine the initial survey process, including plan approval and construction surveys. We will then focus on critical survey areas such as fire safety, life-saving appliances, navigation, and radio systems. After that, we will discuss renewal surveys, including bottom inspection conducted every year. We will also review additional requirements applicable to gas-fueled passenger ships under the IGF code. Finally, we will examine the Passenger Ship Safety Certificate and its associated documentation. Survey life cycle of a passenger ship. The passenger ship survey process follows a logical life cycle. It begins with design review, where plans and technical drawings are assessed for compliance with SOLAS and related codes. During construction, surveyors verify that the ship is built according to approved plans. Documentation is then checked to ensure all manuals, plans, and records are available on board. Once compliance is confirmed, the Passenger Ship Safety Certificate is issued. Thereafter, the ship enters a cycle of renewal surveys conducted every year, including bottom inspections, to verify continued compliance and seaworthiness. Under SOLAS Chapter 1, Regulation 7, passenger ship requires an annual inspection of the outside of the ship's bottom, with a minimum of 2 inspections in dry dock every 5 years. Scope by the numbers. This slide highlights the distribution of survey checklist items within Section 5. The construction phase survey contains the highest number of inspection items, demonstrating the importance of verifying compliance before a ship enters service. These checks cover hull construction, machinery, fire safety systems, life-saving appliances, navigation equipment, and radio installations. Documentation checks, certificate reviews, and renewal surveys also contain extensive requirements. The large number of inspection points reflects the complexity of passenger ships and the high safety standards expected under SOLAS. Initial survey, examination of plans and designs. Before construction begins, detailed plans and technical documents are reviewed. Surveyors verify compliance with requirements relating to stability, subdivision, watertight integrity, and damage survivability under SOLAS Chapter 2-1. Fire protection arrangements, including detection systems, extinguishing systems, and escape routes, are assessed under SOLAS Chapter 2-2 and the FSS Code. Life-saving appliances are reviewed against SOLAS Chapter 3 and the LSA Code. Navigation equipment, radio installations, machinery systems, electrical systems, and emergency power arrangements are also examined. This design approval stage prevents costly modifications later in construction. Focus area, fire safety. Fire safety is one of the most important aspects of passenger ship surveys because of the large number of people carried on board. Surveyors examine structural fire protection arrangements, including A-class and B-class divisions, fire doors, and escape routes. Fire detection and alarm systems are checked for reliability and coverage. Fire pumps, hydrants, hoses, and fixed firefighting systems are verified. Machinery spaces, RORO spaces, and special category spaces receive particular attention. Firefighters' equipment, breathing apparatus, fire control plans, training manuals, and public address systems are also inspected to ensure preparedness for emergencies. Focus area, life-saving appliances, and evacuation. Passenger ship safety depends heavily on effective evacuation systems. Surveyors verify lifeboats, life rafts, rescue boats, launching appliances, release mechanisms, and hydrostatic release units. Rescue boats are tested for launching, recovery, and operational capability. Marine evacuation systems undergo deployment testing to demonstrate effectiveness. Personal life-saving equipment such as life jackets, immersion suits, thermal protective aids, and life buoys are inspected. Muster arrangements, communication systems, distress signals, and emergency instructions are also reviewed to ensure passengers and crew can respond quickly during emergencies. Focus area: navigation and radio equipment. Navigation and communication systems are essential for safe voyage operations. Surveyors verify navigation equipment including magnetic and gyro compasses, radar, ERPA, AIS, ECDIS, VDR, BNWES, LRIT, and pilot transfer arrangements. Radio surveys focus on compliance with GMDSS requirements. Equipment such as VHF, MF/HF radios, Inmarsat terminals, Navtex receivers, APIRBs, SARTs, AISSARTs, portable VHF radios, and reserve power supplies are tested. These systems ensure safe navigation, effective communication, and rapid distress alerting during emergencies. Survey during construction and after installation. This is the most extensive survey stage and involves physical inspection and functional testing of installed systems. Watertight doors are tested from local and remote control stations. Inclining experiments confirm stability calculations and support damage control documentation. Steering gear trials verify required maneuvering performance. Fire doors, ventilation dampers, and remote shutdown arrangements are tested for proper operation. Lifeboats and survival craft undergo launch and recovery tests. Radio installations are subjected to operational testing, including distress communication functions. Successful completion confirms that the ship performs as intended under real operating conditions. Documentation required on board. A passenger ship cannot operate safely without proper documentation. Surveyors verify the presence and accuracy of stability information, damage control plans, maneuvering booklets, and emergency towing procedures. Fire safety documents include fire control plans, maintenance manuals, and training materials. Life-saving documentation includes training manuals, emergency instructions, and muster lists. Navigation documents such as charts, publications, compass records, and radar diagrams must be updated. Radio records, licenses, operator certificates, and maintenance records are also checked. Proper documentation supports safe operations and regulatory compliance. Completion and issue of certificate. After successful completion of all surveys and inspections, the passenger ship safety certificate is issued together with the record of equipment, known as Form P. These documents confirm compliance with SOLAS requirements relating to construction, equipment, radio installations, and life-saving arrangements. If deficiencies are identified, corrective actions must be completed before certification. The certificate authorizes the ship to carry passengers on international voyages and serves as evidence that the vessel meets applicable statutory requirements. Renewal Survey. Under SOLAS Chapter 1, Regulation 7, a passenger ship undergoes a comprehensive renewal survey every year, which includes an annual inspection of the outside of the ship's bottom, with a minimum of 2 inspections in dry dock every 5 years. The process begins with verification of all related statutory certificates. These include the International Load Line Certificate, Safety Management Certificate, International Ship Security Certificate, International Oil Pollution Prevention Certificate, International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate, Ballast Water Management Certificate, Anti-Fouling System Certificate, and others as applicable. Surveyors also review classification certificates and minimum safe manning documents. This comprehensive verification ensures that all regulatory obligations remain valid and up to date. Special requirements for passenger ships using gaseous fuel. Passenger ships using natural gas as fuel are subject to additional requirements under the International Code of Safety for ships using gases or other low flashpoint fuels, known as the IGF code. Surveyors inspect fuel containment systems, storage tanks, vapor control arrangements, and loading limits. Gas detection systems and alarm functions are tested. Bunkering stations, emergency shutdown systems, and shipshore communication links are verified. Fire protection arrangements, Hazardous area ventilation, electrical installations, and operational procedures are reviewed. These additional requirements address the unique hazards associated with gas fuel systems. Sources of survey requirements. The survey requirements originate from several international instruments. SOLAS provides the principal framework through various chapters. Supporting codes such as the FSS code, LSA code, IGF code, and International Code on Intact Stability provide detailed technical requirements. COLREG establishes standards for navigation lights and sound signals. ITU radio regulations govern radio communications and licensing requirements. Various IMO circulars provide unified interpretations that ensure consistent application of survey standards worldwide. Summary and key takeaways. To conclude, HSSC 2017 provides a harmonized framework that aligns survey and certification schedules across major maritime conventions. Section 5 follows a passenger ship from design review through construction, certification, operation, and renewal. Fire safety and life-saving appliances receive the greatest emphasis because of their critical role in protecting passengers. Renewal surveys confirm continued compliance and serviceability rather than re-evaluating initial construction. Passenger ships using gaseous fuel must additionally comply with IGF code requirements. Together, these survey guidelines ensure that passenger ships remain safe, reliable, and fully compliant throughout their operational life. Thank you for watching this video. For more marine topics, please visit the channel Marine Buddies. Your feedback is extremely important for improving the content of this channel.